friends, for today's project I am going to use a multicolored yarn and a hook of 4.5 mm. This is slip knot. Now we have to do chain 56 plus 1. So complete 57 chains and we will meet again when these chains would be completed. These are 56 chains. Chain 1. Now skip the fourth chain. Into the next chain, single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to do 26 single crochet into 26 stitches. So complete 26 single crochet and we will meet again when these 26 stitches would be completed. When we have completed 26 single crochet into 26 stitches, we are going to begin the pattern for next 30 stitches of the row. Yarn over. Into the next stitch, half double crochet 1, into the second stitch, half double crochet 2, 3 into the next stitch, 4 into the next stitch, 5 and 6th. Into next 6 stitches we have to do slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yarn over into next 6 stitches, 6 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into next 6 stitches, 6 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now these 6 chains are left. We have to leave these stitches like that. We are going to work into them into next row. Chain 1, flip the work. Skip the fourth chain. Into next 6 slip stitches we have to do 6 slip stitches again. 1, 2, 3, 4, into the back loop of the next stitch 5, into the back loop of the next stitch 6. So we all know that this is the front loop and this is the back loop. We have to work into all the back loops in this pattern. Yarn over. This is the peak and this is the valley. Into the stitches of the peak we are going to do half double crochet. So into the back loop of the next stitch, half double crochet 1, into the back loop of the next stitch, half double crochet 2, 3, into the back loop of the next stitch, 4, 5, into the back loop of the next stitch, and into the back loop of the next stitch, 6. So on the top of all the 6 half double crochet we have to do half double crochet into the back loop. Now into the back loop of next 6 stitches we have to do slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, on the top of all the 6 stitches for the peak, we are going to do half double crochet. So half double crochet 1, 2, into the back loop of the next stitch, into the back loop of the next stitch, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now into the back loop of next 26 stitches we have to do single crochet. So into the back loop of the next stitch, single crochet 1, 2 into the back loop of the next stitch, 3 into the back loop of the next stitch. So complete doing 26 single crochet into the back loop of all the 26 stitches, and we will meet again when the row would be completed. When we have completed 25 single crochet into both the loops of the next stitch, as you see we have 2 loops here, so we have to insert the hook into both the stitches of the last stitch of the row, pull through and single crochet 1, chain 1. Now into the back loops of next 26 stitches we have to do single crochet. So complete doing 26 single crochet into all the back loops of 26 stitches, and we will meet again when we have completed 26 single crochet. When we have completed 26 single crochet, we are going to work on the peak of the pattern. So on the top of the peak we are going to do slip stitches in this row. So slip stitch 1, 2 into the back loop, 3 into the back loop of the next stitch, 4, 5 into the back loop of the next stitch, 6. Now this is the valley. Into the back loop of all the stitches of the valley we are going to do half double crochet. So half double crochet 1, half double crochet 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now on the top of the peak of the previous row we are going to do slip stitches. So slip stitch 1 into the back loop of the next stitch, slip stitch 2 into the back loop of the next stitch, slip stitch 3, 4 into the back loop of the next stitch, 5 and 6. Now on the top of next 6 stitches we have to do half double crochet for the peak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now insert the hook into the stitches of the previous row and into the chain, slip stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Chain 1 into the back loop of 6 stitches, slip stitches. So slip stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into the back loop of next 6 stitches, half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, into the back loop of the next stitch, 6. Now this is the valley. On the top of all the 6 stitches of the valley we are going to do slip stitches. So slip stitch 1 into the back loop of the next stitch, slip stitch 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the peak of the pattern. On the top of all the stitches, for the peak we are going to do half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now for the valley, on the top of next 6 stitches we have to do slip stitches. 1, 2, into the back loop of the next stitch, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now on the top of next 26 stitches we are going to do single crochet. So this pattern is all about 4 rows. Keep on repeating these 4 rows to the length you require for the project, and we will meet again when we have completed the required length. This pattern is very easy. You just need to know how to do single crochet, slip stitch and half double crochet to complete this hat. I completed this hat for about 44 centimeters. When I have completed 44 centimeters. You can do this pattern also with the regular yarn. But this hat, if you are going to work with the multicolor yarn, can go with many outfits. So I prefer doing with this yarn. Now we are going to begin sewing the 2 ends. So insert the yarn needle into both the stitches of both the parts, pull through. Again into both the stitches of both the parts, pull through. This way we have to complete sewing both the ends of the hat. In this way we have to sew both the ends of the hat. Again into both the stitches of both the parts, pull through. So complete sewing these 2 ends, and we will meet again when these 2 ends would be joined. When we have completed joining these 2 ends, we are going to work on the top of the hat, and for the top of the hat we just have to do in and out. In this way pull the yarn, again into all the stitches, in and out, and pull the yarn. Complete joining the top of the hat, and we will meet again when the hat would be ready. This is the hat when it will be completed. The height of the hat is for about 20 centimeters and width is for about 20 plus 20 is equal to 40 centimeters. You can increase or decrease the size of the hat according to the circumference of the head. But this hat has got stretch. This is stretchable, so this can be fit to any size of the head. Now I am going to add pom-pom with this color on the top of the hat. If you wish, you can add a pom-pom, or you can use the hat in this way as well. This hat is going to look like this when we have added a pom-pom on the top of it. You can use this hat with or without pom-pom. This pattern is easy, just a repeat of 4 rows and the hat is done. So it is very easy and even a beginner can make it. Thank you so much.